Hello students, welcome to history class 10th. Students, in recent video we have discussed about the painting of Frederick Sorrieu made by him, and student, in the next page we have discussed what is nation state. What do you mean by nation state? Now this is next topic, the French Revolution and the idea of nationalism. The French Revolution was the landmark of starting of expressions of nationalism. This was the incident from where the people start thinking about their nation. France, as you know, would remember, was full-fledged territorial state in 1789 under the rule of absolute monarch. So there was a ruler who was King Louis XVI, who ruled over France. The political and constitutional changes that came in wake of French Revolution led to the transfer of sovereignty from the monarchy to a body of French citizens. So the sovereignty, as you know what is sovereignty, that is transferred from monarchy to a body of French citizens, means the National Assembly elected by the citizen, which control the power of king. The revolution proclaimed that it was the people who would henceforth constitute the nation, means the destiny of nation will be decided by the people. So this was the starting point of nationalism. From the very beginning, the French Revolution introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of collective identity amongst the people. French people who were the citizen of France under the ruler, Bourbon dynasty ruler, now they start thinking about the idea of la patrie and les citoyens. La patrie means fatherland and les citoyens means the citizens. They are the citizen of their fatherland. So this emphasis was given to have a united community and nation, equal right under the constitution. Tricolor new flag was introduced to replace the former royal standards, and a state general now elected by the active citizens that was renamed as National Assembly. As you know about the National Assembly in 9th chapter, what was National Assembly. New hymns were composed, oath taken and martyr commemorated all in the name of nation. Those who gave their lives for nation, they were commemorated. A central administration system was put in place and it formulated uniform law for all the citizens within its territory. All fundamental rights were given to the people who were living in the country. Internal custom duties and dues were abolished and a uniform system of weight and measurements were adopted. Regional dialect means languages discouraged and the French was spoken and written in Paris became the common language of nation. Now French language was the most common language of the people from the end of the dynasty. But it was not stopped there. Revolutionary further declared that it was the mission and the destiny of French nation to liberate the people of Europe. They started thinking about the liberation of whole Europe from the despotic, means the king's rule. When the news of event in France reached the different cities of Europe, the students and members of educational middle class, they started setting up Jacobin clubs. Number of Jacobin clubs were formed in different countries, and the French armies were moved into Holland, Belgium, Switzerland, Italy, etc., to make them free from the despotic rule, or you can say absolutism. So student, this was the question, what was the impact of French Revolution? You can answer this question from this para. What were the impacts of French Revolution? So students, these were the empires are given, and the next part we will do in next video. In next video we will discuss about the Napoleon and his civil code of law. So we will discuss it in next video. Thank you.